the visitation to the home of Ogun Lakaaye at Ire Ekiti. Welcome to Aofin Adimula Onire. We are still on Ifa Orisha Pilgrimage 2023. So after we left the home of Ishulalu at Ijelu Ekiti, so we moved straight to the home of Ogun Lakaaye at Ire Ekiti. As you can see, we are live and direct in Ire Ekiti. The pilgrims, both the foreigners and Yorubas, are right here to pay homage to Ogun Lakaaye. This pilgrimage was organized by International Council for Ifa Religion. So we are coming to be received by the Oba of Ire Ekiti. So these are pilgrims. We are here happy, dancing, rejoicing, because we are happy with our ancestral values. Ogun Lakaaye. As you can see, the pilgrims, some of the pilgrims are in Ogun's costume. They are in Hunter's costume. So don't forget that hunters are pretty much lovers of Orisha Ogun. So as you can see, the pilgrims, they are in Hunter's costume. We are all happy to be here. Ogun Lakaaye is an Orisha of iron, Orisha of justice. We are all happy to be here. We are dancing and rejoicing. This is Ifa Orisha Pilgrimage Festival 2023, organized by International Council for Ifa Religion. Get a Better Life TV was there, live and direct. So this is the place where the Oba of Ire Ekiti will be receiving the pilgrims. So we are all here sitting down, waiting for the king of Ire Ekiti to arrive. We are all sitting down. Isese Lagba. As you all know, Isese Lagba. Isese is coming back to be more better than how it was in the past. Despite the fact that the primary religions wage war on Isese, wage war on our ancestral path, we are still flourishing. So the Oba is coming, Kabiyesi is coming. So Kabiyesi is coming to talk to us before we move to the spot where Ogun Lakaaye entered the ground. Kabiyesi o. Now the Kabiyesi is talking to us. Kabiyesi is praying.
ó máa rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ó tiẹ̀ ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ kò ní yí padà.
Now we are set. So Kabiyesi has given us the chance, the authority to go to the spot where Ogun Lakaaye entered the ground. So this is Ifa Orisha pilgrimage tagged that we may not forget. This is on the 21st of May 2023. This is actually the second day of this pilgrimage. So as you can see, all the pilgrims are ready to go straight to where Ogun entered the ground. Ogun Lakaaye Oshimole, Ogun Onire. This is Ire Ekiti in Ekiti State, Nigeria. So the hunters are here practicing, showcasing how they hunt in the bush, in the wilderness. This is how they hunt. This is the practical way on how they hunt. Ogun Lakaaye Oshimole, Orisha of war, Orisha of iron, Ogunye, Ogun Lakaaye Oshimole, Ogun aládàá méjì. A máa fọ̀kan ṣọ́kọ Ogun Lakaaye Oshimole, Ogun aládàá méjì. The pilgrims are here happy, dancing, rejoicing because today is the visitation to Ogun Lakaaye's home in Ire Ekiti. So we are happy to go to the spot where Ogun Lakaaye entered the ground. Ọjọ́ Ògún torí òkè bọ̀, aṣọ iná ló mú bora, ewu ẹ̀jẹ̀ ló wọ̀ sọ́rùn, Ògún onílé owó, Ògún ọlọ́nà ọ̀la. Ògún méje lògún, Ògún méje lògún, Ògún alára ní gbajá, Ògún ìkọ̀lé ń gbàgbín, Ògún ẹlẹ́mọ̀nà ní jẹ̀sùnṣu. This spot is where Ogun normally prepares his iron before he went for hunting. This is the spot. So this is the spot where we first visited. This is where Ogun made preparation for his hunting when he was alive with us on earth. He's still with us in spirit, as you know. That is the reason why we are here, to appease him, to pray to him, so that he can open our ways. So pilgrims are here to pay homage, to pray. So you can hear everyone praying. Ogun Lakaaye. This is Ifa and Orisha Pilgrimage 2023, organized by International Council for Ifa Religion. Get a Better Life TV was there, live and direct. So this is the shots that we gathered right in Ire Ekiti, the home of Ogun Lakaaye. This is where Ogun Lakaaye entered the ground. Ogun Onire o. Ogun Onire a máa gbàgbó, Ogun Onire ní gbàgbó. We are all happy to be here. We are proud of our ancestral part. This is Isese. Isese is our part. Isese is how we know Olodumare. Isese teaches us how to believe in our Orishas, how to pray to our Orishas, and how to know that Olodumare exists. This is Ifa and Orisha Festival, Ifa and Orisha Pilgrimage 2023, organized by International Council for Ifa Religion. Now we are going straight to where Ogun Lakaaye Oshimole entered the ground in Ire Ekiti, Ekiti State of Nigeria. So as you can see, we are peaceful. We love ourselves. We are happy to be here. As you can see, one of the pre-games is right there going with a chicken in his hands. So that is what he is going to be using for appeasement to Orisha Ogun. Isese is beautiful. We love ourselves. We are peaceful. We are happy to be here. Do not let anybody deceive you. Your ancestral path is the only path for you. Why do you have to travel to other people's land just because you need blessing? You spend a lot of money to travel to another person's land. When you get there, when you get to their land, you look like a second-class citizen. I am so happy to be here. As you can see, the foreigners that are here, they are actually our brothers. They have our DNA. They are our brothers, so they are not foreigners. They are not foreigners. They are part of us. So you can see us going, happy, rejoicing. As you can see, our brothers from abroad, they are here as well to pay homage to Orisha Ogun. So they are happy to be here. Gabriel Live TV and the crew, we all came here to pay homage to Orisha Ogun as well, and to capture the footage, to capture the shots for you guys to watch. Even though you could not make it to be here, we took it upon ourselves to make you feel among, to have the feel of what we experienced here. So as you can see us, we are going. The distance is actually about 5 kilometers from the express, so we are still trekking there. People are happy, people are anxious to be there. Now we are getting closer to the place, to the location. we are about to enter. This is a spot, so we have to get inside with, we have to face backward to enter. So you can see all the pilgrims are here. Pilgrims are praying. Ogun Lakaaye Oshimole. Olomi nílé fẹ̀jẹ̀wẹ̀, Olaṣanlé fimọ̀ kímọ̀ búra. Now we are at the spot. Pilgrims are right here now praying. This is the shrine. This is a spot where Ogun Lakaaye entered the ground. As you can see, that is the spot. So people are here with their kola nut, praying to the kola nut, throwing the kola nut there to receive blessings. The Abrahamic religions, the other religions, they have something similar. They call their own holy, but when we do ours, they call it evil. Do not let anybody deceive you. Pilgrims are praying. This is Get Up Live TV. If you are new here, kindly click on the subscribe button down below to subscribe free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. This is where we promote African culture, traditions, and religion. Please don't forget to make use of the join button down below to show your support to me. We spend a lot of money to travel down here. So the pilgrims are here. They are still coming in. As you can see, the pilgrims are throwing palm fronds. The identification of Ogun is one of the identification of Ogun Lakaaye is palm frond. You know palm frond. So when you see palm frond, you are seeing Ogun. So this is a spot. This is another sacred spot that is very close to where Ogun entered the ground. So one of the custodians here is explaining this location. That is the president of International Council for Ifa Religion. He's right here with the custodian, with one of the custodians. Baba Popola is the president.
When you get to the town, you are easily, even though the hometown, you are easily create a place for you, for yourself, to pray for Ogun. But if you want to talk to Ogun directly, this is the only person that can call you and answer you.
So this Baba is introducing the person that normally call on Ogun. So he's introducing him to the pilgrims.
Let's go back.
Ero ya o je ogo iselu re. So these women are singing, saying that you guys should come and see the wonders Ogun is doing in Ire Ekiti. That is the meaning of the song they are singing. Come and see the wonders of Ogun. Come and see the wonders of Orisha Ogun. Orisha Ogun Lakaaye Oshimole. Orí o yáyáyá iṣẹ́ ògùn iṣẹ́ lóore o.
Orí o yáyáyá iṣẹ́ ògùn iṣẹ́ líre.
Come and see the wonders Ogun is performing in Ire Ekiti. This is Get a Better Life TV. So pilgrims are still here, dancing, singing, happy, rejoicing, because today is the visitation of Ogun, the home of Ogun Lakaaye in Ire Ekiti. This is Ifa Orisha Pilgrimage 2023, organized by International Council for Ifa Religion. This is Get a Better Life TV. We are right here showing you this location, showing you the snapshot, the shots of what actually happened at the spot or in Ire Ekiti during the Ifa Orisha Pilgrimage 2023. Now we are done. We are going back. It was actually a memorable pilgrimage. So we are going back. That's me. I'm trying to dance to the beat. So we are going back. We are not tired because we enjoyed ourselves. We believe that our prayers have been answered. So we are not tired. We are going back. It's actually 5 kilometers away from the express. So we are going back to the spot. Then right from here, we will be going the second day, which is on the 22nd. We will be going to another town in Ekiti State. So we are done here. This is on the 21st of May 2023. So we visited 2 locations. We visited Ijelu Ekiti, with visitation to the home of Eshulalu in Ijelu. So the second visitation on the same day was visitation to the home of Ogun Lakaaye at Ire Ekiti. So on the 22nd, we will be going to another location. Watch out for the video.